Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox with Joy-Cons on mobile. First, ensure your Joy-Cons are charged and ready for pairing. You will need a mobile device, either Android or iOS, and access to your device's Bluetooth settings. We will cover the necessary third-party applications and step-by-step configuration to get you gaming smoothly. Get ready to elevate your mobile Roblox adventures with precise, comfortable controls, making every game more immersive. To begin, open your mobile device's settings and navigate to the Bluetooth section. Take one Joy-Con, press and hold the small, round pairing button located between the SL and SR buttons for about 3 seconds. You will see green indicator lights start flashing, signaling it is in pairing mode. Now, find and select Joy-Con L or Joy-Con R in your device's Bluetooth list. Repeat this process for the second Joy-Con to connect both controllers. Roblox does not natively support Joy-Cons, so a third-party application is crucial for control mapping. Android users have excellent options available, such as Mantis Gamepad Pro or Octopus, found on the Google Play Store. These apps create a virtual overlay, allowing you to assign touchscreen controls to your physical buttons. iOS users might find a more limited selection or need to explore alternative methods, depending on their device's operating system version and app availability. Ensure you grant all necessary permissions for the app to function correctly. Once your remapping app is installed, open it and add Roblox to your game library within the application. Launch Roblox directly through the mapping app. This will activate the on-screen overlay. Now, you can drag virtual button icons from the app's menu onto the specific areas of your Roblox touch interface, like movement joysticks or action buttons. Press the corresponding Joy-Con button to assign it, linking your physical controller input to the virtual action. Save your profile after setting up all desired controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.